I'm sorry. Your request was wifey level. You are currently on our girlfriend package. Please upgrade to unlock this feature. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, yeah. Talk, talk, keep it real with me. What you wanna do, where you wanna go, where it's gonna be.
You are currently on our girlfriend package. Please upgrade to unlock this feature.
Hey, my sweet and beautiful lady. So, you know how I took you out last night and we went out to eat and then we went to the movies and I paid for it? Don't worry about that, baby. That's my pleasure. But listen, I'm about to go to work right now and I was just wondering if maybe you could take 5 minutes out and just make me some ramen noodles.
Oh, hell no!
Hey, baby. So listen, I accidentally spilled some Kool-Aid on the floor in there. Now, what I'm doing right now is working on your car for you. But I spilled some Kool-Aid. I was just wondering if maybe you could take a napkin and maybe wipe it up for me.
Oh, hell no!
Hey, baby. Can you make me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, perhaps?
Oh, hell no!
Hey, baby. I made a pee-pee in the bed. You mind going to get me some baby wipes? Daddy need his boom boom clean.
No, no.
Jumping slick was my ruin, 'cause I found out all I was doing was making it easy for the clean-up woman to get my man's love.
Oh, yeah. Can a brother get a sandwich? And listen, this conversation only seems to exist in one community. Now, without even saying what community that is, I'll let Conan O'Brien once again give a hint.
President Obama was reelected because of the high turnout of urban voters. Then when he was asked just how he liked his coffee, Ryan said, no milk, no sugar, just urban.
So, I mean, think about it. I mean, a man has to go and buy a ring just to get a cup washed? Are you serious? It seems as though a lot of women only want something for nothing. Give me everything that I want, and the things that you want, well, they're conditional. If you want that, well, sorry, you're gonna have to put a ring on it. I mean, and if you look at the top of the thing, she says, my man, which means that she's already laid claim to him, essentially taking him off of the market. So essentially saying, hey, guess what? No one else could have you, but I'm not going to do the things that you ask of me. No, guess what we can do? We can have a lot of boink boink, a lot of boink boink, a lot of bedroom time. But other than that, what? A sandwich? Have you lost your damn mind? What? You actually want me to fold your clothes for you? Are you crazy? So is this phenomenon more cultural or is it generational? Now I believe that it splits cultures and that it's considerably more generational. Now when did it start? That point can be argued. But I find that the current generation, especially the youth, are very impressionable by art and media, especially within the music. And I hear a lot of them mimicking the things that they hear. Who is that? Our good old friend, Cardi B. Hey, Cardi, you mind making some roast beef?
I don't cook.
How about, washing the bathtub?
I don't clean.
No. How about washing yourself?
I don't clean.
No. How about...
I don't cook. I don't clean. But let me tell you, I got this ring.
Hey, look, Cardi B's your role model. Great. But she also gave $500,000 to her husband for his birthday. How come I don't see anyone trying to copy that aspect of her? Wait, hold on. I'm here with reality news. This just in. We're going live to Cardi B's house. She's in there with her husband, Live to you, Phil.
I'm outside the Cardi B complex, and I'm here to tell you that there's so many things that have to be explained. We're wondering why her music says one thing, but she's doing another. Could it be that her art is separate from her actual life?
I don't clean.
The things that you do before you get married is what gets you married. You don't get into a marriage and from the marriage, now you're going to start doing it. I don't clean. I don't even cook. But when I get married, I'll do it for my husband. How you going to do it for your husband when you don't even do it now? That guy that you're with, he is supposed to be your husband in waiting. But any man who is looking for a wife, there are qualities that she has to have. It's not, hey, I'm going to start doing for you when we get married. How do I know that? I know by what you do now. There is no logic in this stuff. I mean, think about it. Just put yourself in the shoes. A man is not protecting you. He's not doing anything for you because he says, wait until we get married. You on girlfriend level. You asking for wifey duties. You're going to have to upgrade. Even having sexual intercourse with a guy. Let's just say that the man says, hey, look here. I ain't buying you nothing. I ain't even protecting you. I'm doing none of these things until we have a little happy time, baby. Is that going to make you want to go forward with this guy? Or are you going to say, he's not even worth it? And this type of behavior lets you know, oh, you're dealing with someone who is combative, has a grand ego, and with that in tow, especially a man of means. What makes you think that he would take that level of a gamble to bring you to wifey level before you display wifey qualities? I think that this point is highlighted beautifully by the brother Louis Farrakhan.
Man got married the other day. Took his wife home. Honeymoon night. Look out now. Look out there. She pulled her hair off and put it in the drawer. Pulled her teeth out and put it in the drawer. She had faults. Put it in the drawer. Took off her leg and put it in the drawer. The man didn't know whether to get in the bed or get in the drawer.
I don't clean.
When